Hello, I'm Councillor Chris James. As part of Neath Talbot Council's commitment to the Armed Forces Covenant, and as an ex-serviceman myself, I'm extremely proud to represent the authorities as Armed Forces Champion. Armed Forces Day is the day the whole country gets together to give thanks and show our support for all those who make up the Armed Forces community. From those currently serving, to service families, veterans, reservists and cadets. Once again this year, due to the ongoing pandemic, we're having to mark the day in different ways to keep safe. What won't change though is the immense sense of pride we have in our armed forces. The freedom and values we hold as a nation are protected and guaranteed by our armed forces. This has been the case throughout history in times of conflict, crisis and hardship. It is also the role they play today. Every minute of every day they keep us safe. UK Armed Forces personnel are currently serving on 39 operations in 46 different countries across the world. During the coronavirus pandemic, they've once again been called upon by the UK and devolved nations to help the national effort in many and various ways. From transportation of vital supplies of PPE to playing a leading role in design and construction of field hospitals, testing sites and mass vaccination centres. Our armed forces have been there to serve us all. To the RAF and Army medicine technicians that were deployed to assist in our local mass vaccination centres in Margam Orangery and Swansea Bay, I'd like to send a special message of thanks on behalf of all our residents. Your support was not only appreciated by the NHS and Health Board staff, but your presence and calm professionalism meant so much to everyone who attended and came into contact with you. You played a massive part in building confidence in the operation and also a massive part in its success. Armed Forces Day may be different again this year, but I'm sure you will agree its purpose and its significance is as important as ever. Thank you all for watching this video message. Please take a moment to reflect on how much we owe our Armed Forces community. And to those currently serving, our proud reservists, cadets and of course our veterans, past and present, we thank you.